Alright, we got here an old waterworks engine here in Detroit. See what we got here. Oh. Wow. He snuck up on me. Right now he's got the air. Wow. You almost had it. Anyway, it's air start.
At least drive rails around, bring the worms up from China. Yeah. When I worked for Superior, I was with modern gensets. We couldn't package them in our factories. We had packages. And they had little banks that I got there to just everything. But they used to build gensets in Springfield, Ohio, and they had this area with humidity in the factory.
Yeah, Ben and his father and his brother pretty much maintain this and keep it running.
Oh, water resistant.
I don't know how long they've been doing it, but right now his father and brother are home taking a rest, and he's running it today.
It was trained and they had used it for years. That's what that was. Run the electrodes in for more power. They had the big screws because they used to build some fairly big gensets. That was, we were packaged with them in Louisiana and New York City, and we were in France, and Ireland and control.
All right, right there, there's an air gauge, compressed air, and that's how these things start.
Can you close that for me? I forgot. This? No, the compression relief. Oh. Of course. No, don't close it now. Now I need to open that one. Yeah, you wanted me to go there when it was rolling. I need to be an octopus so I can reach all this stuff. This oh man, I'm gonna get that tape.
You didn't warn me about that.
Yeah.
Oh well.
We didn't do that. There's a wood plug in there.
Yeah. Yeah, these big bitches aren't easy to start. Where'd this come from, Mike?
Well, a water plant not too far from here.
Yeah, and they've been running, from 19 when? The 20s?
Yeah, late teens, early 20s up to the, and it was in standby service up to the 80s. It was in daily service up to the 60s.
Wow,
that's a long run.
That's crazy. All right, hang in there with us. He's got help now. These things are always tough to do by yourself because you got so many controls and you got to do it himself. He's going to do it again, so hold on. Here he goes. He's actually trying to get in rhythm with the spinning of the wheels.
I heard you buzzing earlier. Hang on, let me see if I can catch it.
Okay.
No ignition. Bouncing. I'm gonna try.
It's almost like a bump start. When it kicks back, he'll give it air. There you go.
There you go. No, I ain't gonna make it. My switch got bumped.
We'll let these guys look us over, see what the problem is, and turn this back on. Just had help. They pulled it around to the power stroke. They needed help with that. Two guys are pulling big wheels. There's them. There we go. There we go. told me exactly when it was going to start. Turn all the oilers on.
I get it the first time.
All right, thank you. Go ahead, you're all right, go ahead. You guys are star now. I don't know if you guys noticed this, but the side shaft engine here. Got a gear coming off of the flywheel. And that opens and closes the valve. Almost like a domestic. We'll let you guys run this and have a little fun, and then we'll show you a couple more things. Alright, I'm not sure, but I think this might be a two-cylinder, because I see valves down here and valves over here. What is that, Mike? Is that a two-cylinder?
Well, yeah, it's two-cylinder, but you call it tandem. Like
okay.
Tandem bicycle.
Like an airplane where you're one behind the other.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. So you got
a
whole piston and cylinder up front, and a piston and cylinder here. But that out of the head of this piston is a rod that goes through a gland, and that rod goes through an air space to another gland and goes to the other piston.
Right.
So each one's got a spark plug.
Oh yeah, look at that.
See the plug there and the one there? I mean, it's a very interesting concept. But you remember, this engine's from the late teens.
Right.
You know, this is pretty early stuff.
Stand next to that flywheel so we get an idea how big it is. Look at that. Mike is about 5'8". So them flywheels got to be about 5'8". So they're a little bit off of the ground and they're over 6 foot. Interesting. Alright, I'm going to turn these off until maybe he shuts it down, or you might want to keep it running longer. Alright, they got it running now. It's a lot quieter now because they had to leave the air running, you know, bleeding the airline. But now they shut the airline off. You can actually hear this thing purring. Purrs like a kitten. Nice little thump, thump, thump. Pretty cool. Alright, they're going to leave this running for a little bit, so we're going to call this one done. Thanks a lot, Ben.
Yes, sir.
Alright, we'll see you on the YouTube TV. Alright. Very cool. All right.